VRLama is here from Dhangadhi. He's getting here this morning, so I'm gonna go meet him. He was a really good tour guide when I went to visit him at his home. I'm not really good at that like he is, but we'll see what we can get into. He's here only for a few hours. We'll go see what's happening. I haven't seen him for a while, so he's a cool guy. He's also got a YouTube channel, so I'll link it down below. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's a cool guy, and he's got that monkey Lily, who's really sweet. I'm gonna go get my motorcycle and go see what's happening. Let's go.
You can, Kevin, can you please make one video from here?
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Send me a letter in my...
Yeah. Like, how do you want to make the video?
I like normal.
Like normal? Yeah, no water here.
We came here to see lake, but
Yeah.
no water in the lake. It's empty here. Oh, water.
Oh, nice. No fish though. You know it's trouble when there's goats in there in the lake.
In lake, they go outside.
Yeah.
No fish.
There's goats but no fish. That's not a good sign. So why do you think there's no water in here?
They are fishing nowadays.
Fishing?
For fishing, they remove all water here.
So will they refill it, you think?
After
Fishing.
fishing.
Oh. Fishing for what?
They are little fish. They are fishing there, no?
Is that where that tent is?
Look over that tent.
Yeah, right there.
Fishing.
What are they fishing
They
for?
are picking up all the fishes from small water. And
Oh.
after they will fill water here.
Oh.
Maybe. I'm not also from here, so I don't know more.
Nobody tells me
I'm
anything.
also tourist. I'm also tourist for Nepalgunj. Masha, you want to see fishes?
Oh yeah. We'll do whatever you want.
Oh,
yeah.
Right
Right over there.
We'll go in bike. Nice.
Last time I was here, this whole thing was full of water. I don't know why there's no water in it right now. I don't know exactly what they're doing. They're pumping out the water for some reason. Doing something. I'm not sure exactly what. Oh.
The guys are not good here.
Yeah.
If they do this,
Yeah, so sometimes you got to be careful, helmets.
must have to be careful in new places. Local fish are...
I haven't eaten much local fish. I think I have actually out at Bardi Atoll. I have eaten that. I do like that. But Nepalgunj, I think a lot of the fish is from India.
Look my food. You are saying that you are taking their videos?
Yeah, they don't want to be on camera.
They are saying that you are taking their videos. माछा निकालेको छैन? अहिले निकाल्छ? कस्तो माछा?
Are they catching any fish?
Yeah, they are catching fish. त्यसपछि पानी हाल्छ.
That seems like it's cheating, fishing that way. That's what they said they're doing, fishing. It's a whole lot of water they got rid of. Fishing with the locals, you know, like I do. Guess they're fishing catfish. Looking for catfish. And goats. Catching goats. They really pump all the water out here and up over there. It seems a little crazy. Looks like it's gonna eat him. Oh yeah, there's a few.
He's running.
Yeah.
And I'm going to chase him.
Yeah.
Like this after removing all the water from here.
Ah.
Like this pieces are there, bubbling here.
It's coming this way.
Kevin, let's go.
Okay.
Hey, Samdai.
Yeah. That seems like it's a little cheating though. Catching fish that way.
Removing all the water from their pond.
Yeah.
After that, they will catch like.
Lunch? Nasta?
Nasta? Nasta? Chakna ho bhai, chakna.
Chakna ye.
Hey, त्यस्तो नहीं.
The big fish.
Yeah, small fish. I am pretty hungry actually. I haven't been here in a while. Yeah, it looks nice. Guess we're gonna go sit over that way.
How's it saving?
It's good. I've eaten here before, but it's been a long time ago.
You haven't came here.
A long time ago.
Oh.
A few
You
years
already
ago.
visited here.
Huh?
Already came here.
A few years ago. It's been a long time. It looks nicer now though. How's it for you?
You haven't came here before.
I've eaten the food from here, but not sat here. But it was a few years ago. Yeah. It's a nice looking beard. How long you been growing it?
कति भयो पालेको?
Yo, 3 महिना.
3 months.
Oh wow, that's pretty long.
Yeah.
Nice. Is it itchy?
No.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's got a habit.
Man, that looks really good. I love meat. Lunch with friends. Making a vlog. New friends. Good. A lot better than the goat ear.
I've seen a video got here.
I did not like
How's
that.
that?
I did not like the goat ear.
Like this kurum. Crunchy.
Yeah. Crunchy and very chewy.
Yeah.
This is good though. This is meaty.
Lots of love.
All right, man. I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Very nice to meet
Thank
you.
you.
Uh-huh. Thank you. It's good to meet both. Good to meet you. Good to meet you again. So, all right, I'll see you soon. I gotta get some sunglasses. This is bright out here. Yeah, so the other day I was over at Buddha Ink Tattoo talking to my buddy Bishal, and he saw my video out in the village where they make Chaang, and he was telling me that his family years ago used to do that, and I guess they just made some recently, so he's invited me out to check it out and film it and stuff. And I really enjoy doing stuff like that because I like hearing people's stories, you know, and meeting new people and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna ride over to Buddha Ink, meet him, and then we're gonna go to his house. Yeah, let's get this up on the road. This is cool. I've never been back in this neighborhood before. There's really cool houses back in here. This is Bishal's house, I'm guessing, or a family house. It's cool back in here though. There's a tarred road there, so I don't know what that is. Tar everywhere. This your house?
Yeah.
You live here? Ah.
He's very dangerous.
So did you grow up here in this house?
Yeah.
You grow up in this house?
Yeah.
Small.
Out.
Oh.
He had bite 13 people. Yeah, last 20-30 years ago.
Uh-huh.
Yes, he used to make that Chaang,
Ah.
and people crowd there in my village.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh.
my village is from here, 8 kilometers far.
Oh,
from here.
a village.
Like, you know Sainik Shipuri? You know Sainik?
Damboji? Out Damboji?
No,
or
no,
the
no,
other way?
not this.
Just this way.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now she's suffering from that some diseases. Yeah.
Is this grandmother?
Yeah, my
Ama.
grandmother. Yeah.
Ama.
Now that business is now closed. Yeah.
Ah.
And nowadays we make for our guest.
Yeah.
So that's
For
why,
family.
Yeah, for
Yeah.
family, for guest.
Yeah.
So that's why
This is a week old.
this is
1 week old.
1 week old.
Yeah.
After 2 weeks, after a few months. Sorry. After a few weeks.
Be even harder.
After a couple of weeks, it becomes more hard than now.
So this is an old family recipe, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Her recipe. Recipe, and this is not allowed to sell.
Yeah. Just for family and guests. Yeah, definitely. So what does it start with? I mean, I know it's rice, but what does it start? Is it,
Yeah, there
how does
is
it, what's
a
this?
mix of 3 materials. Yeah.
Ah.
Raw materials like maize, you know, we call it ato in Nepali.
Ato.
And rice.
Ah.
Yeah. And after that, peel of orange.
Peel of
Orange suntala ko bokra. Bokra, you know, outside. That is the raw materials. And there is recipe that we have, which we don't.
Yeah, no problem. cool of Bishal invite me out to his house. I'm always excited to go to people's houses, you know, Nepali people's houses. Nepali people are so nice and so friendly. I'm always excited to go to their houses and see the kind of cultural things they do and stuff like that. They had that cool little yard area. It's like in the middle of the city neighborhood, but they had like a little almost farm area a little bit. It was cool. I really appreciate that he did that for me. So, and then it was really cool to see my friend VR from Dhangadhi. I hadn't seen him since when I was up there a while back. It's been a minute. And I'm glad I got a chance to see him before he goes abroad. So I'm gonna end this video here. I'll probably put this video out first before the Bardi one because it's shorter. The Bardi one's gonna take a little longer. It's my first time editing 2 videos together, 2 camera angles together. The Bardi video is my first time editing 2 different cameras with 2 different perspectives together. So it's probably taking me a couple more days to get that going. Okay, that one poor kid's carrying the big load. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.